At the core of every great kitchen is a balance between function and style. The acrylic knife holder, carefully crafted from high-quality acrylic, brings both of these essential elements together seamlessly. Acrylic, as a material, is known for its exceptional durability. Unlike glass, it's lightweight and shatter-resistant, making it a safer and more practical option for everyday kitchen use. But this isn't just about practicality. The acrylic knife holder also offers a modern touch to your kitchen. Its transparent design creates a clean, minimalist aesthetic, allowing it to blend into any kitchen style, whether you favor contemporary, industrial, or even traditional looks. The polished edges give it a refined, sleek finish, elevating the overall design of your countertop without overwhelming it. With its clear and smooth surface, this knife holder doesn't just store your knives, it displays them elegantly. The transparency of the acrylic allows you to easily see each knife, offering both convenience and a touch of sophistication. It keeps your knives within reach, while enhancing the visual flow of your kitchen, making it feel more organized and clutter-free. Durable, modern, and versatile. This is more than just a knife holder. It's an essential tool that enhances both the functionality and the beauty of your kitchen. One of the standout features of the acrylic knife holder is its transparent design. This clear structure isn't just for show, it's about practicality. The transparency allows for easy visibility of your knives, letting you instantly find the exact one you need without digging through drawers or other storage options. Whether you're reaching for a paring knife, a chef's knife, or even a bread knife, the open, transparent layout makes kitchen prep more efficient and organized. The clear acrylic blends seamlessly into your kitchen decor, keeping the focus on your tools while adding a touch of modern elegance. Measuring 225 millimeters in height, this knife holder strikes the perfect balance between compactness and functionality. Its size is designed to fit snugly on your countertop, without taking up too much space, but still providing ample room for a variety of knives. Compact yet spacious, it can comfortably hold everything from smaller utility knives to larger chef's knives, making it the perfect solution for any kitchen, big or small. Effortlessly organized, stylishly functional, the acrylic knife holder is designed to fit your knives and your kitchen perfectly. Imagine preparing your favorite meal. Everything is within reach, perfectly organized, and easily accessible. Your knives, neatly displayed in the acrylic knife holder, are ready for action. No more digging through cluttered drawers or searching for the right blade. The acrylic knife holder saves you valuable time, allowing you to grab the knife you need instantly, without disrupting the flow of your cooking. Efficiency in the kitchen isn't just about speed, it's about smooth, stress-free movement, and this knife holder ensures just that. But beyond convenience, there's safety. By keeping your knives neatly organized and visible, you eliminate the risk of rummaging through drawers and accidentally grabbing the wrong knife or handling sharp blades unsafely. With the acrylic knife holder, every knife has its place, reducing the chance of mishaps and making your kitchen safer. More than just a tool, the acrylic knife holder enhances both safety and efficiency, helping you prepare your meals with confidence and ease. In every great kitchen, organization is key. The acrylic knife holder ensures that your workspace remains clutter-free, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating delicious meals. No mess, no searching, just efficiency. By giving your knives a dedicated space, the acrylic knife holder transforms your kitchen into a more streamlined, functional environment. It's not just about keeping things tidy, it's about making your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. When everything is in its place, cooking becomes a joy. You're able to move freely, without the frustration of hunting for tools, making every step of meal preparation more efficient. A well-organized kitchen isn't just functional, it's beautiful. The acrylic knife holder adds a touch of modern elegance to your countertop, turning an essential kitchen tool into a stylish accent. Function and beauty working together to elevate your cooking experience. Every kitchen has its own unique style, whether it's modern, traditional, or somewhere in between. The acrylic knife holder is designed to complement them all. Its clear, minimalist design seamlessly fits into any kitchen, enhancing its aesthetic without overpowering it. From modern, sleek countertops to warm, wood-toned cabinetry, the acrylic knife holder adapts effortlessly. Its simplicity allows it to merge with any decor, making it not just a practical tool, but a stylish statement piece. Its minimalist design adds a sense of order and elegance, elevating your kitchen's overall look. While the knives remain perfectly organized, the holder itself becomes a subtle yet sophisticated accent. Simplifying your cooking space has never looked better. The acrylic knife holder is more than just a kitchen accessory. It's a piece of art that transforms your kitchen into an efficient, beautiful space. Whether your kitchen is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, this knife holder fits right in, bringing both style and simplicity to your culinary routine. Proper knife care is essential to keep your blades sharp, safe, and long-lasting. While it might seem simple, taking a few extra steps can make a big difference in the performance and lifespan of your knives. Always clean your knives immediately after use with warm water and mild soap. This gentle method removes food residue without damaging the blade. Avoid the temptation to toss them in the dishwasher, as high heat and harsh detergents can dull the blades and weaken the handles over time. After washing, be sure to dry your knives thoroughly before storing them in your acrylic knife holder. Leaving them wet can lead to rusting or staining, especially for high-carbon steel blades. A dry, well-maintained knife ensures a sharp, clean cut every time. By taking these small, simple steps, you protect your knives and keep them in top condition, ready for every meal you prepare. And with the acrylic knife holder, they stay safe, organized, and always within reach. By taking these small, simple steps, you protect your knives and keep them in top condition, ready for every meal you prepare. And with the acrylic knife holder, they stay safe, organized, and always within reach. Dry thoroughly to prevent rust. Regularly sharpen your knives for efficiency and safety. Store them in the acrylic knife holder to protect blades and prevent accidents. Acrylic is durable, resistant to wear, and won't absorb moisture or corrode. It's lightweight and easy to clean, maintaining its clear look over time. The acrylic knife holder offers an elegant, practical solution for kitchen organization, combining form and function effortlessly.